Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Legend Learning. Just random assignments, I guess. And I'm going to be doing Snow Cone Festival because I found it out with my friends. It's kind of, it looks so good. So I'm
Woohoo!
going
I love summer. Summer means no school and all the snow cones I can eat. They sell snow cones at the summer festival. Hey, let's go to the summer festival and buy a sweet treat. Hi, welcome to the summer festival.
Percy.
My name's Percy. What's yours? Lovely name. What
There.
kind of snow cone would you like today? One cherry snow cone, coming right up.
Air Snow Cone.
What color cone would you like?
I like a brown one.
Hey, I like blue, too.
I didn't say blue.
Just a minute, I'm going to get your order started. Actually, let me show you how I make the snow cones. It's really a fun process. First, I stir some water, fruit flavor, and sugar to the sugar goes like this. The time sugar particles are too small. When that happens, we have a solution. Make sure it's medium. Next, I have to heat up the boiled water. The liquid gas into the hot, the same matters. Put the lid on top. Stir the gas and then turn back. Finally, we need to cool off the freezer. The liquid so cold that it becomes ice. Actually, ice will come. Just on top. And shut up. No snow cone, just me. You can make one cup. Well, give it a friend.
That looks purple to me. It just
Wow, that looks delicious.
Garfield. Oh god, he's so cool.
Hey, I want one too.
Flamingo, a real flamingo.
Let's all go buy a snow cone.
Shiba Inu.
My whole basketball team wants snow
It's
cones.
a fucking panda. It's a fucking panda. Let's go.
Wow, everyone saw how tasty your snow cone is, and wants one too.
So make some.
I'm the only person working here though. I might need some help.
Have someone.
Hey, can you help me make more snow cones for the customers?
Fine, as long as I get to eat one.
It's a lot of fun. Let me show you.
You already fucking showed me. Excellent. I want Cool Cat.
Click and hold down on the buttons to add water, flavor dye, and sugar to the pot until it reaches the red line.
Complete. Let's add a shit ton of sugar. Okay, let's add more flavor. Let's just add some more sugar. Yeah, let's add some more sugar. We're gonna give these people a sugar overload. Let's stir it.
Stir the solution until the sugar and dye are dissolved, and the water is all one color.
Whoa, rotation.
Turn up the oven's heat. Click and drag the blue diamond to the right to make the oven hotter to boil the liquid.
Wait, what?
Quick, cover the boiling water all the way that way to the end. Oh no, you'll have the boiling hot that way to the end. Let's put the boiled liquid in the freezer. It will go from a really hot liquid to a solid.
So much to fucking read. No, fridge door won't stay closed.
Covering the pot with a lid traps the gas in the pot, and it turns back into the water as condensation.
Oh, no.
Whether it is a liquid, gas, or solid, all matter is made of tiny pieces. Even you are. We need to make our liquid into a solid, so we can make the shaved ice for our snow cone. Oh no, the pesky freezer door won't stay shut. Close it so the liquid can continue to freeze into ice. Then click next to give it to the lucky customer.
So, let's put some. Let's put everything. Okay, so I have to do it right.
Wow.
Oh wow!
That is very tasty, my friend.